Hi guys, it's Shani from Yiannimize, and today I'm going to be answering the question, why did I not buy an SVJ? So, you guys know that I bought 3 Lamborghinis, or should I say I own 3 Lamborghinis now. I have the Lamborghini Urus, I have the Lamborghini Aventador S Roadster, and I have the Lamborghini Aventador SV Roadster. Why? Why does anyone need 3 Lamborghinis? Why would you not get the SVJ? Why would you not get a McLaren? Why would you not get a Ferrari? Why would you not switch it up? Lambo's boring, change it up, Jan. These are the sort of things I've been getting every day on YouTube and Instagram. So let's start. Why did I not get the Lamborghini SVJ? There's quite a few reasons. I was offered one. You know I'm really close with Lamborghini London. So they did say to me if I want one, I can get an early car. However, I wasn't feeling the interior. The interior to me is still from 2012. Yeah, you've got a few upgrades and stuff, but it hasn't changed enough. I do want the Lamborghini Aventador replacement, which comes out in 2020, 2021. So it was deciding whether to get the SVJ for now or wait for the replacement. But I think for £400,000, it just wasn't doing it for me. I would have rather they brought out the replacement earlier and then I'd have jumped into that. I've not seen what the new Aventador replacement looks like, but no matter what, I'll be getting one. The same way I ordered the Urus blinds, and a lot of people cancelled their orders when it came, and now they're all running around trying to get one. I love the Urus. Change is sometimes good. People don't like change in this world. They see a change car and they're like, oh my God, it looks terrible. And then once they've seen it for a few months, they're like, oh, actually, it's quite nice. With the Urus, people made a mistake by getting rid of their orders. Everyone did expect me to get SVJ. I don't go by what people think. I always do things different. Same with my colours of the wraps. Most of you guys hate the colour of the cars that I do. Others love it. Why be the same as everyone else? We're not sheep. Why did I buy the Lamborghini Aventador S Roadster? I'm doing the Yiannimize Grand Tour, Marbella to London. My previous Aventador S was a coupe. It wasn't a convertible, it wasn't a Roadster. My new one is a Roadster. So obviously, roof comes off. Beautiful for the summer, the nice weather. And if we have a summer like we did last year in the UK, it's going to be perfect. The SV looks great. 1 of 500. If I'd only just bought that car, it meant I couldn't actually put a kit onto that vehicle because it doesn't need one. However, it was a good price. It's an investment car. It was a no-brainer. So I've bought that car. I'm going to drive it a little bit and then I'm going to park it up for a while. And then I'll decide what I'm going to do later on in the year with that vehicle. At the end of the day, I am a businessman and I drive these cars for enjoyment for myself. However, business is business. So me buying the Aventador SV Roadster didn't make sense when I own Nero. So buy both. The SV is only going up in value. The S Roadster makes sense because I drive it around and have the Nero kit, the Nero wheels, and obviously people talk about it and I'll sell kits. So everything is about business. The Urus, I just love the Urus. That is probably one of my favourite cars. I was offered £50,000 over for that car when I bought it. I didn't sell it. No, didn't sell it. But that's another reason why Lambo supply me cars, because I won't flip my cars. I just want to actually clarify something. So what flipping means is when you buy a car from a dealer brand new and you sell it within 2 or 3 weeks, that is what you call flipping a car. Me buying the SV and selling it in 2 or 3 months time, that is an investment car that's going up. So it's not like I bought it from the dealer, got it very first, and then sold it straight away. My SV is a 66 reg. There's only 500 ever made. That car is, of course, going to go up in value.
Someone else, are you going to be repping the SV?
No, I'm not. The colour is amazing. The interior goes with the outside, so I won't be wrapping that car. Yes, I will be wrapping my Aventador S Roadster though. The SV, as I said, is an investment, so I won't be driving that a lot. Yeah, you might sit at some of the car shows and stuff, but the majority of the time I'll either be in the Urus or the S Roadster. Why did I stay with Lamborghini? I've owned loads and loads and loads of different cars. I've driven everything. I've driven the McLaren, I've driven the Porsche, I've driven the Bentley, I've driven the Aston, I've driven Ferrari. Lambo is where my heart is. Also my name, my surname is Sharalambus. I have Lambo actually in my name, so it makes even more sense now. I could own Lambo. Nah. Bert, Gina and Andrew are laughing, and Gus and Elliot. Keep that in. Shut up, Bert.
Everyone just looked at each other like, what the?
Lambo's in my name.
I've got Lambo in my name. So I said to you guys I would do a shopping video. To be fair, I tried to do that video. I was in there, I filmed. Didn't really say anything bad. I just said, I'm not feeling that car, or I love that car. And yeah, I had to get permission, and they said no. Which was disappointing, considering I own quite a few of that brand. So yeah, based on that, I was like, you know what, just go back to Lambo for sure. Not even a question about it. But yeah, sorry I couldn't give you the shopping video. Have a guess which car company wouldn't allow me to put the footage out. Wonder who it was. Have a guess. Comment down below. Let me know who you think it was. I'll just go through my Instagram just to see some of the comments. Someone said, I don't understand why you bought 3 Lambos when you could have just bought 1 hypercar. Cool. Where do I put the kids? Hypercars don't have seats in the back, so that is why I didn't do that. Plus, I don't think I can afford a hypercar. Or can I? I'm not going to do the cliche thing that work hard and do this and do that. All I'll say is, if you do something that you enjoy and you put your mind to it and you focus, you can achieve anything you want. But you need to focus. A lot of people want that quick money. They think that they'll see that £100,000 deal or that £1 million deal. Listen, there's no such thing as easy money. You've got to work for it. So I sold my old Aventador S to Jezza. Click here, you can see that video. Jezza from the F2, he's a football freestyler. They've got nearly 10 million subscribers. They've got Rascal Clothing. He's an entrepreneur, he's a businessman, a very, very clever guy. Jezza has only actually just bought his Lamborghini in 2019, but he said on his Instagram, mentally, he's been driving it since 2013. So, what does that tell you? Thank you so much for watching. I hope that answers why I didn't buy an SVJ and why I bought my other 2 Lamborghinis. Obviously, I am going to wrap the S Roadster. What colour should I wrap it? Comment down below, let me know. Do I still go chrome? Do I do something different? But it will be on the Yiannimize Grand Tour starting June the 23rd from Marbella. Make sure you guys check it out, and I'll see you soon. Take care.